One piece of equipment you will need after your baby is born is a child seat, as safety is important while traveling with your baby on board. A child seat is an ideal solution for security and mobility of your kid. A child seat will make traveling with a little one safe, ensuring the baby is buckled properly and is sitting in the right posture. In India, often we find commuters driving with the baby on the lap. If sudden brakes were applied, the most vulnerable person in this scenario would be the child. Even depending upon vehicle seat belt is not safe, as there are chances of sprain and injuries when sudden bump appear. That is the reason why having one makes more sense. The main advantages of child seats are: it provides child security against sudden brakes and accidents. Perfect posture of child is maintained on uneven roads. Separate assistance is not required to hold the child. Just buckle up and drive safely. KA500 is a child seat designed for Group 0+, Group 1 and Group 2. It is suitable for child up to 25 kgs. The seat is fully tested and approved as per international standards ECE 44.04. It has a 5-point harness system providing enough security to the child. The belt of this child seat has 3 positions, which are adjustable to the child's height. This child seat has side impact protection system. Child seat KA500 consists of 3 modes. Baby mode is applicable for children weighing below 13 kgs. Child mode is for children weighing 13 to 18 kgs. And junior mode is for children weighing between 15 to 25 kgs. You have to adjust the backrest angle for different modes. For baby mode, lift the adjustment lever and recline the backrest to pitch 4. For child mode, lift the adjustment lever and recline the backrest to pitch 2 or 3. For junior mode, lift the adjustment lever and recline the backrest to pitch 1. You can switch the mode by changing the weight and size of the child. But prior to this, you have to follow these steps. Seat the child and set the shoulder belt to the insert outlet to a position just above this child's shoulders. Now press on the seat belt adjustment layer, pull the child belt towards the front side. Fasten the insert metal until a sound of click is heard. Pull the adjustable strap to tighten the seat belt. After adjustment, there should be space as thick as an adult's palm in between the child and the child seat. While installing the child seat, make sure that you do not place the child seat in the front seat. This child seat is installed in the car in different ways for different modes. For junior mode, seat should be installed facing forward only, and the following should be removed from the child seat: child belt, belt buckle, and adjustable strap. Set the backrest at pitch 1. Put the shoulder belt and waist belt into the gap below the armrest. Pull out the seat belt and fasten it into the buckle until a sound of click is heard. Route the shoulder belt of the vehicle seat belt through the guide shot. For child mode, seat should be installed facing forward only. Press the angle adjustment lever and set the backrest at either of pitch 2 or 3. Put the seat belt through the belt hook, otherwise the seat belt may not be secured. Tighten the vehicle's own 3-point seat belt by pulling hard on it and press on the seat base and tighten the belt. For baby mode, set the backrest at 4th position and seat should be installed facing backwards. Pull out the car waist belt and pass it through the insert area and fasten into the buckle. Put the shoulder belt through the securing hook at the backrest. Press on the seat base and tighten the belt. So drive smart and keep your most valuable possession secure by using a child seat.